I'm going to present my project that I was working on at Amazon. So let me walk you through the definition that relates to my project. So at Amazon, we have digital content creator. They are people that create the digital content so that mm, ebook publisher, video creator, app store developer. So Amazon pays for those content creator by a method called the royalty calculations. So Amazon have a database that store the royalty term. So the database gonna contain the file, and those files I use to calculate the royalty amount for the digital content creator. And then we have the royalty term validator scanner. So this is where I work. This is also my project. So this database store the file to calculate the royalty term, but this database might be able to be outdated value. That means there's some data field that's not right anymore, and that we need to update, and we need to update up based on the new business rule of those customer. So my the project I was working on is to get the data from this database, and then and then evaluate whether either any data that outdate or any data that violate against a list of rules. And then this working at a library framework that accept the input as a data from this and royalty term data database, and then validation, and then produce a list of the warning, a failing, or a list of the violation result for the further action. So this is exactly what I did at my internship. So as I present before, so you see here, this is the database that contain the royalty terms. A lot of fine here are used to calculate the royalty amount. So this is where I work. I get all of the data on the database, pass them through into my library, my framework, and then this gonna produce a list of the violation result, and those violation result gonna be stored into the validation result database. So for further actions, some clients or people can get on the violation information from here, and then make some update, some change for the system. Yeah, and then this is the overall project that I work at Amazon. So in order to build this royalty term validator scanner, I need to dive deep into research how the structure of royalty term, how the data structure of it, what's in the model of it. I also need to reach out to some client on another department to ask whether either any factor or criteria they want to verify, they want to test those terms. So I gathered all of those information, desire a project with milestone, and came up with implementation plan and build this library. And So this is what I learned when I try to build the projects. I learned Amazon Web Server technology like Lambda, DynamoDB, S3. So this royalty term system will start on Amazon Web Service Cloud. For example, like S3. So I need to be able to read the data from here using the Amazon technology, and then also store the validation result in a DynamoDB. So in another word, I need to learn and practice about the Amazon Web Server technology like that. So I also have a chance to learn about the Amazon internal tool like I'm sorry. So let me try to. Oh, we're back. I'm also have a chance to learn about the Amazon Internet Tool like library framework, the pilot. Um, yes. So those are the tools that the Amazonian use to perform and to accomplish the work. I have a chance to practice Java, Kotlin, Node.js. Um, so I built the library by Java. However, during my implementation process, I also need to use some library that already built in at the Amazon system, and they were written in Kotlin. And then I need to learn about Kotlin in order to adapt them and convert and use them in the purpose of my project. So software architect and workflow designing developer developing. So I need to design the workflow, the data structure, and also how the my how my framework manipulate the data and structure the data and how the workflow works together. So I have a chance to practice the designing skill. Also, software project management. I need to come up with a milestone that I need to achieve a small task and to honor the big tasks are finished. So beside, I also have a chance to meet a lot of Amazonian. They are very smart. They're very talented. Then yeah. So I met a lot of friends and connections at Amazon and on my team. I also have a chance to practice workplace with Amazon culture. And then this is what the technology that just summarize what I learned here. Yeah, and actually actually now now I'm in one of the last week of the internship. I still have like 3 or 4 weeks to go. There are a lot of things I need to do next. But this is the overall that what I have been doing at Amazon. So yeah, that's all. Thanks.